Well done. Oh.
Good day, sir.
How you been now?
I'm good, sir.
I the rush go one place like this, eh? I want buy snapper.
Sniper.
And I won't go use am. Abeg, don't waste am. Abeg, I need snapper.
Sir, we're not selling sniper.
Shey you dey whine me ni? You know wetin dey call snapper? Wey be say everybody dey use every day by day.
No, they use sniper, they kill mosquito now, sir. We know they sell sniper. Now books with all this stuff we dey sell for. We know they sell sniper.
If you say make una go school, I no go gree go school. Na man I go dey follow waka up and down. Come on, shut up, jare. This one no be snapper. Eh? This one no be snapper. E no be snapper.
Oh my God, sir, this is stapler, not sniper. Stapler.
Wetin you talk?
Stapler, not sniper. Stapler.
So you dey tell me say I no go school?
No be say you no go school, but the correct pronunciation is stapler, not sniper.
Stapler, no snapper.
No sniper.
So now that man no say this thing give me.
Okay, you don't go one store.
I don't go one store. They don't gree say give me now.
Stapler, not sniper. Stapler.
Now the pond now I wan buy.
It's just 150.
Pond.
The pin, not pond, pin.
Abeg don vex, jare. You go school. Give me one.
150.
150. All right. Thank you, jare. Thank you. We'll see.
This man is very funny. He said he wants to buy sniper. God.